tired of living with a sensitive gut? Having sensitive digestion, particularly a sensitive colon, can have a big impact on your day-to-day life. Digestive problems can be triggered by stress, certain foods, or caffeinated or carbonated beverages. Sometimes, there doesn't seem to be any trigger at all. Before you know it, you're rearranging your whole life to accommodate it. It's time to do something when you feel like you always need to know where the nearest bathroom is just in case. You sometimes avoid recreational activities or turn down social invitations. You feel like you must be extremely careful about what you eat. You don't have to feel that way anymore. Bowtrol Colon Health Support was developed for people with sensitive digestion, particularly a sensitive colon. Bowtrol's all-natural formula helps calm and relax the digestive tract, eliminating feelings of urgency and diarrhea or constipation. So if you are tired of living with a sensitive gut, click the link in the description for complete product details and to get your risk-free trial bottle.